grocery store. Bumili tayo ng gin caldero. Tulog. So, good evening everyone. Ayan, for today's video, we will be doing yung nighttime routine natin as a stay-home mom. Actually, lumabas kami kanina. Pinatulog ko lang si baby, tapos magluluto na ako for my dinner. Wala si Hubs ngayon kasi umuwi siya dun sa kanila. Usually naman, kapag meron si Hubs, nagluluto ako ng dinner namin. But ngayon, kakagaling kasi namin sa labas. So, our little one is sleeping na. And it's time for us to have our dinner. So, let's go prepare ramyun. Feel kong kumain ng ramyun today. So, yun yung kakainin natin for tonight with the kimchi. By the way, guys, if you are located in Baguio or La Trinidad, I can recommend a legit na kimchi made from our center people. So, guys, order kayo sa kanila kasi mga estudyante ngayong mga gumagawa. And with the supervision of our foster parents na mga Korean missionaries. So, makakatulong din tayo sa kanila at the same time. So, ayun guys, let's start cooking. Kanina pala, duman kami dun sa grocery store. And, bumili tayo ng gin ramen. Ayan. Mas masarap yung ramen natin kapag may onion leaves. Yan, bumili tayo ng gulay. And then, try nga natin to. Never been tried ito. So, we'll try this one. And Yakult for our drinks. Mag-shake tayo ng Yakult plus cucumber and banana. Ayan. Kumain si baby girl kanina. So, napabili tayo ng banana. Realistic na situation ng ating mga labada. Andyan sila. Ayan guys, let's have a late dinner. Yung nasira naming rice cooker, gamitin na natin as additional na kaldero. Diba? Resourceful. Charis. Habang nagbo-boil tayo, need na natin ayusin itong mga to. Diba? This is our life. So, as a mom, kailangan nating mag-multitask. Ang daming nangyayari. So, we have to do things at the same time. Lalo na kapag grumpy ang ating anak. Wala tayong magagawa. So, what we do is, we do some chores while tulog pa sila. Mag-prepare na tayo ng onion leaves kasi mabilis lang itong maluto. Usually, nilalagay ko na talaga ito. try natin to kung totoo ba siya. It's for burger, but cheese nakakabigay kasi siya ng additional na lasa. Nilagay natin ito dito kasi usually kapag cheese, naninigas siya kapag nasa fridge. So, it's best na may cover. Kimchi. Ayan, silipin muna natin ang ating baby girl kapag nagising siya or kumusta yung mga position niya, ganyan. So, dyan lang kayo guys. Oops. So far, mahimbing yung tulog. So, makakain tayo ng walang drama, ganun. Ubus na pala yung sa kimchi, o diba? 1 kilo yung na-order namin and so far, so good. Samahan nyo na ako dito sa dinner natin. This is what we have. Ew. Hindi pala natunaw yung cheese. Nasa ibabaw lang siya. But anyway, kain tayo guys. Sobrang gutom ng person, so kinain na niya yung tubig. Oops. Nagmukbang na tayo dito. But anyway, masarap tong kimchi. Tapos yung kimchi nila, hindi siya mabaho. And freshly made. So, order na kayo guys. Hindi ko na mantay. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Yakult and ice. Medyo mainit today. Parang social nitong inumin noon. Let's drink. Dahil nagsolo tayong kumain ngayon, siguradong magme-message si Hubs. Sasabihin niya na naman na bakit ako nagluto ng ganito na wala siya. Ganun talaga pag may kasama ka na. Ako din naman. Lagi kong sinasabi, why are you cheating on food? Kapag lumabas si Hubs, tapos may kinain siyang ganyan, na hindi siya nagdala, mga petty things. The beauty of having someone around. Kakulitan mo, ganun. Tapos na tayong kumain, so it's time to take a bath. And let me toothbrush first. Ayan, tapos na tayong maligo. So, it's time for us to have our skincare. So, kapag gabi, ito yung ginagamit ko na lotion. Sobrang ganda niya. And very mild lang yung amoy niya. So, this is the consistency. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Sobrang ganda niya sa skin. And hindi siya nakakairita. So, ayan. Lotion girl talaga ako ever since. Lalo na at sobrang dry ng aking skin. And nakakatulong din siya kapag malamig. Alam niyo yun? Parang medyo may protection ka ganun. Of course, sa paa. Huwag natin kalimutan. Especially sa ating paa kasi it's very important to take care of our skin. Done with our lotion thing. Sobrang bango niya. So, kapag dito kayo sa may Baguio or La Trinidad or within dito sa Bliss area, may available po kaming stocks ng mga to. And other Kemans na product, you can order through PM on our account sa FB, Simplifina, and pwede kayong umorder doon. Ayun. But, if you are around the Philippines naman, meron din naman sa Watsons, ganyan. Or, for other countries, there are authorized na mga resellers ng Kemans na product. Pero sa amin, pinapaubos lang namin tong mga stocks kasi ang dami niya and super naka-sale siya. Super budget-friendly. So, hindi kayo manghihinayang na gagastos para sa sarili nyo. Especially for moms out there. So, ayan guys. This is our toner. Ayan, ganyan siya. Sobrang watery din nito. And then, pahid-pahid lang tayo. Oh. Ano ba sa'yo, Mike? Sobrang lightweight lang niya. Parang wala kang nilagay. Ganon. So, next na ilalagay natin is yung sa serum. I will be putting serum na niacinamide for today. So, ito siya. May mga serum tayo na available. Vitamin C, Ultimate, Radiance White, Retinol. So, for Retinol, hindi ko pa siya natatry kasi bawal pa since nagpapa-dede tayo. So, ito na muna yung gagamitin natin na serum. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Very nice. Maglagay na tayo ng serum. Ayan, kapag problema nyo yung mga malalaki na pores, niacinamide can help and can really tighten your pores. So, huwag kayong maghinayang na bumili ng serum kasi these are really good na skincare product. Yung product pala na to is FDA approved. You're assured with the ingredients din na nagamit. So, ayan. Oh, diba? Sobrang light lang niya. And my favorite na moisturizer, as someone who is super dry again, ulit-ulit tayo sa dry. Ayan, ganyan siya. Nagsasarili ako dito na. Kalimutan ko kayo guys. Hindi sanay sa Hindi kasi ako sanay na ng skincare na unlike before. Pero ngayon, balik ulit tayo. Balik alindog. Siyempre, walang silbi ang ating skincare if hindi tayo matulog, hindi tayo kumakain ng proper na mga meal. So, we have also to take care of our inner self. Ayun, i-share ko din sa inyo kung ano yung tinitake ko while breastfeeding na nakatulong din sa ating skin for recovery. Kasi, from pregnancy, sobrang glowy tayo, ganyan. Kahit walang skincare, ganun maganda pa din yung skin natin. But after, guys, ang laki ng difference. Medyo tayo, glowed down. Medyo na-haggard tayo. So, it's about time for us to start. Doing the skincare. Kailangan din natin para sa sarili natin and for our mental health. Not just to show other people that we are glowing ganyan. So, it always starts with ourselves. And, sa next na tayong product. Madami na akong masabi. Ayan, to sum up, toner. And then, serum. And then, yung sa moisturizer. And now, You can use whatever cream, yung heavy cream na ginagamit nyo after. But for me, I use a Mira cream. So, lagi ninyong nakikita itong cream na to. Ito yung huli kong ina-apply. Kahit anong skincare product pa yung gamit ko as toner, moisturizer, and serum. I always have this. Ito yung nagsisil sa lahat. So, ayan. You can buy this actually sa Watsons or sa Mercury Drug. Available siya. Medyo pricey but you can use it for longer period of time. Like mga 6 months, ganyan. Sa gabi ko lang to nilalagay. Pero kapag gusto nyong araw-araw, ganyan, day and night, you can use naman. But for me, tipid tips, ganun. Yan lang yung nilalagay natin. After everything sa gabi. Nagising ang ating baby girl, so I have to stop. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Ito yung last na step ko. My lip balm. Yan, it's very important to take care also of our lips. I am obsessed sa aking, treatment ng lips kasi I have really a dark lips and super dry din siya. I discovered na mostly sa mga Thailand na lip product, mas effective sila when it comes to lightening or moisturizing kasi hindi lang siya as a cream pero may pagka-oily siya pero hindi siya yung oily na parang petroleum. May ganun silang texture sa lips. So, ayun. And para sa ating mga tinitake, I have here Conzace. I take it once a day. Ang go-to ko talaga kahit noon pa is yung vitamin C. Any naman na vitamin C. Basta okay naman sa'yo and nag-work siya. Kasi it's very important na meron tayong vitamin C to boost our immune system. Especially kapag tag-ulan, ganyan. Or puyat tayo. So, yun yung isang kailangan natin. And lastly is yung sa collagen. If you are aging like me, pa-exit na tayo sa kalendaryo. Kailangan natin ng collagen booster. Kasi as you get older, nababawasan na yung production ng collagen natin. Especially kapag nasa 25 pataas ka na. Pababa na yung mga production natin ng collagen. Pwede naman siya sa pagkain. Pero minsan kasi kulang. Depende din sa diet natin. Kaya ang ginagawa ko is I usually take collagen powder. Kapag afford nyo yung sa drink, medyo mas mabilis yung effect or sa mga IV, ganyan. But for me, okay naman na ako dito sa powder. And I've been using yung Orihiro. Mas hiyang ako sa pink kaysa dun sa red na version. Which is, nagstay na ako dun. Kapag nagtitake ako ng collagen, hindi na masyadong maputi kapag ginaganito mo. Walang ganun. Pero lately kasi natigil since hindi na ako nakapag-purchase. So, next time, bili ulit tayo nun. So, for now, yun lang yung masishare ko for my nighttime routine when it comes to skincare and even caring for our body. Pero number 1 pa din is yung sa tubig. Kailangan talaga nating mag-hydrate. So, ayan guys, andito ako sa room ni Hubs. Dito siya nag-office. And I like this chair. O, diba? Nakaka-relax pa lang mag-ganito. Na-adjust to by the way. Ganyan. Depende sa gusto niyong position. So, sa Shopee lang namin to nabili. Very functional siya guys. Ayan. Lalo na dito sa may likod na area. Gusto ko itong part na yan. Nag-endorse na bigla ng Pero, just to share. Kasi, it's been a month ata na meron to. And we're so happy about it. Strong naman siya kasi may din to, pull out para sa paa. So, ayun yung mga kaganapan natin. I have a lot of realization and parang naisip ko lang kanina, why not share it with you guys? And ayun, I think I've been doing a nighttime routine, morning time routine. But this time, it's different kasi meron na tayong baby girl. And medyo mahirap i-manage talaga yung time. Especially that yung time natin is nakadepend sa baby natin. Kasi depende if fussy sila, grumpy sila, or masaya sila that day. So, dun nagbe-base kung anong pwede natin gawin. So, honestly, I am actually struggling sa aking time when it comes to vlogging. As much as I want to upload weekly or twice a week sana, parang namumove talaga siya. So, Ang time ko lang talaga na mag-vlog ganyan is kapag tulog na siya or kapag meron si Habs. So, yun yung dalawang option natin. And we are doing it by ourselves. Wala kaming kasama, wala kaming katulong, or malayo kasi yung mga parents namin. So, hindi sila makapag-check ganyan. Pero kapag pumupunta naman kami doon sa bahay namin or bahay ni Habs, meron yung mga tita na nagre-relieve sa amin. Alam mo yon, or yung mga parents namin. So, ganun talaga kapag you started a family, ganyan. Ibang-iba na siya. Like, ang dami mong gustong gawin pero hindi mo siya magawa. Ganun. I am at that point ng aking buhay na parang I have to go with the flow. I am on the stage na nag-struggle ako finding myself again, back to track. And at the same time, at the stage na you have to nurture a human being and you have to be a wife. You have to work for your family. Ganon. Parang ang daming nangyayari at this point of my life. Kung mapapansin nyo, ganun yung rhythm natin ngayon. Na parang after 2 weeks ako nakaka-upload. But I try my best not to pressure myself na mag-upload. But to encourage myself to do something for myself. Minsan, nagkakaroon na ako ng low self-esteem kasi parang ang ginagawa ko na lang is to stay home, to take care of baby. I have to do something for myself, which is itong vlogging. Kasi I have been doing this. Every time na nagre-resign ako, I am running into vlogging. Every time na wala akong ginagawa or I have free time, ito yung pinagkakabisihan ko and I am happy doing the editing, ganyan, and choosing songs for the vlogs. So, mga ganong bagay. I think this vlog is very personal, no? Because I am opening up something that is in my head right now. It's very random, but I just want to encourage also other moms out there who are going through this season. Parang na-stuck na tayo kung saan tayo. But this will pass and time is really fast. So I think one thing na natutunan ko for this season is to enjoy the moment. At the same time, you have also to figure it out how to take care of yourself so you can be a better person for your family, for your little one. Kasi kapag na-stuck lang tayo being stressed with what is going on in every day or na-stuck tayo kung saan parang paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari. Medyo nakaka-depress siya. So, I'm really thankful for Hubs kasi minsan may random na lalabas kami to just walk. I always say naman na, can we go out ganyan? Or can we just have a walk? Pero siya, parang may mga random days na sinasabi niyang lumabas kami ganyan. Kahit yung maglakad lang. It's very important kasi it's not easy to be home also. Though yung title natin is Home Party, but we are still human being and we need to go out to see other things apart from staying home for a healthier well-being. Yun lang for this mommy session and I hope na nag-enjoy pa din kayo for our vlog. Thank you for always being there to support this channel kahit we are already in our era wherein we are stay-home mom. It's not anymore a living alone diaries, but still, thank you for your support and I hope that this coming December, we will be able to do Vlogmas and ang daming ganap ng December. Super. So, madami tayong gagawin. I'm so excited for December. I really look forward for December ever since bata pa ako kasi ang daming ganap and parang reunion siya ng buong taong kakilala mo. It's either friends, families, or other people na involved in your life. So, ayun guys, yung forecast natin for this last quarter of the year. And parang reflection din siya at the same time. Kasi time is really fast and people come and go. Just a reflection. And as we start this quarter, diba, last
quarter of the year na to. So, what else can we give for this 2025 apart from mga nangyayari sa kapaligiran, mga flood control issues? O, diba? Ang daming ganap dito sa Pilipinas, but we pray about it na sana it will be better. I hope na may natutunan kayo for this video. Ayun lang guys. Hope to see you on our next one. Bye!